Hi, you are live with Brown's Tire Towing and Auto Care Center in Shepherdstown, West Virginia. We have lead technician Jason Taylor performing a front brake repair. He's repairing and replacing both front pads and rotors to this vehicle for one of our customers. And we were just wanting to document some of our repairs that we do here at Brown's Tire. Jason is one of our ASC certified mechanics, and he does an outstanding job on all of his work. But if you need any brakes, please stop by one day, schedule an appointment, and we will bring the vehicle in, let Jason take a look and see what your brakes condition are. And if needed, he will be glad to perform a brake repair. We also offer brake fluid exchanges with our repairs to help with the fluid, which is always recommended with new parts. So again, just stop by Brown's Tire Towing and Auto Care Center at 7735 Martinsburg Pike here in Shepherdstown, West Virginia, or give us a call at 304-876-6835. Talk to one of our service advisors, and you can come in and have Jason Taylor do an outstanding job on any repair here at Brown's Tire Towing and Auto Care. Thank you so much. Have a great day.